Okay, good morning, student. 10th B algebra, first and second chapter simultaneous and quadratic equation we have completed with problem set with all MCQs, formulas. If you have any doubts, you can ask. There is some schedule change in the unit test. First, this Saturday you have practice test for only maths and essays. So now be alert, do regular work and try to grab maximum mark. Yesterday I have sent the timetable. Only one day, 40-minute, morning 8 to 8:40, 20 marks, both of 10. SS 10, maths. Okay, then I have to check. 40 minutes, 20 marks, 10 for SS, 10 for maths. Okay, now from today we'll start chapter number 3. In short, the name of the chapter is AP. What is the meaning of AP? Arithmetic mean. Means these are of special type of the numerical series. For example, natural number, it starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So every time the difference is 1. Whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, again the difference is 1. Integers from infinite to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, again the difference is 1. Then odd number, odd natural number, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, dash dash dash. So it is a particular type of series in which the difference is 2. Natural even number, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like that. Again the difference is 2. So in this type of the series, in arithmetic progression, difference is very important. If in between two successive consecutive number difference are constant, then it is said to be arithmetic progression, AP. So first, which following sequence are AP? We have to find out it is AP or not. First difference you have to find out, that is D1. Then second difference you have to find out, D2. If both are equal, then go for 3. If both are not equal, directly write down it is not AP. First and second equal, then find out third. If all three are equal, write down AP. How? D for difference. First find out D1, then find out D2. If D1 is not equal to D2, stop. Not an AP. If D1 is equal to D2, then find out D3. Then again two things. D1 is equal to D2 is not equal to D3. d1 is equal to d2 is equal to d3. Follow this chart. Again, always you have to find out d1, difference 1, second number minus first number, then third number minus first number. If both are not equal, stop. Not anything. If both are equal, go for the third. First and second equal, but third is not equal, not equal. If first equal to second equal to third, then it is equal. Finally, it is equal. Till that, first two not equal, not equal. First, second equal, third not equal, not equal. Very systematic we will do this. It is given 2, 4, 6. First question 2, 4, 6, 8. This is term 1. So first term is 2. Second term is 4. Third term is 6. Fourth term is 8. Write 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the system how to write. So first I will find out d1. It is t2 minus t1. 4 minus 2, it is 2. Then first we have to find out, then second also we have to find out. This minus this is d1. This minus this is d2. This minus this is d3. 6 minus d3. Here we came 1, 2, 3. So d1 is equal to d2 is equal to d3. That's 4. 2, 4, 6 is an apple. Now next. Two 2.5, 3 3.2. 5 by 2. 3 7 by 3. Correct. T1, T2, T3, T4. 2 5 by 2. 7 by 3. Now difference first is equal to T2 minus T1. This minus this is always D1. .5 minus 2, it is 0.5, means half. Now D2, T3, T2. Three minus 0.5. Now D3. T4 minus T3. 7 by 3, 3 by 1. 3 to the 6. It is now 1 by 3. This equal, but this is not equal. D1 is equal to D2, but not equal to D3. So we came here. So now it's not equal. Now 0.3, 0.33, 0.333, 1 time 3, 2 time 3, 3 time 3, 4 time 3. So T1 1 time 3, T2 2 time 3, 3 time 3, 4 time 3. Now difference 1 is equal to T2 minus T1. This minus this always. Next minus previous always difference. So 0.33 minus 0.3 means 30. It is 0.03. Now difference 2 is equal to T3 minus T2. So 0.333 minus 0.33. So put 0. So it will be 0.003. So both are not equal. Both are not equal. So it is not equal. Correct? Now let's do one negative series. 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12. Simple. Whenever they will ask it is AP or it is AP or not, you have to write T1 first, T2 second, T3, T4. Now difference 1 is equal to T2 minus T1. This minus this. Minus 4 minus 0 minus 4. D2. T3 minus T2. Minus 8 minus minus 4. So again it is 4. D3. T4. T3. Minus 8. Minus 12. Minus minus means plus 8. 8 minus 12 minus 4. So all three are equal. Again, first we have to find out D1. You can't take the decision, yes or no. Find out D2. There are two possibilities. Both are equal, both are not equal. Both are not equal, simple. You can take the decision, it is not an AP. Both are equal. Go for third. Again, two decision. These two are equal, but third is not equal, not AP. All three are equal. When you can write yes, when all three are equal. If anyone is mismatched among three, not an simple. All three are equal, 100%. Then it is not equal, no. Now we will take under root. 3 plus root 2. 3, 2 plus root 2. 3 root 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, it's a rhythmic, only 3. Then 3 plus root 2 means root 2 added. Then 3 plus 2 root 2, again root 2 is added. Then 3 plus 3 root 2, again 1 root 2 is added. So every time the difference are equal. So the first term, T1 is equal to 3. T2 is equal to 3 root 2. T3 is equal to Okay, so first difference. So 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So 3 gone, only root 2. Difference 2. It is t3 minus t2. t3, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus upper one minus 3. This plus minus minus root 2. 3 cancel. 2 root 2 minus root 2 means 2x minus x is equal to x, like that. Difference 3, t4 minus t3, that is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. This minus this 0. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, it is root 2. Now again, series you have to write. First 4 term you have to write always t1, t2, t3, t4. T stand for what term? First term, second term, third term, fourth term. Step number 1, write the sequence in 4 number. Then write that first 4 number as in sequence t, term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4. Okay. Now difference, always this to this, this to this, this to this, not this to this. Not previous minus next, next minus previous. So find out first t1 is equal to, d1 is equal to t2 minus t1. Whatever the d you have to find, no, next number minus previous. For d2 t2, for d1 d2, for d2 t3, d3 t4, like that. Find out 3 difference, this minus this, this minus this, this minus this, and compare this. If all 3 are equal, every time you have to find 3. Okay, all 3 are equal, AP. All 3 are not equal, in between, first 2 are not equal, then also it is not AP. Follow? So step number 1, write 4 term and dash dash dash. Step number 2, write term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4. Second step. Third step, find out 3 time difference. D1 S2 minus S1, sorry, T2 minus T1, D2 T3 minus T2, D3 T4 minus T3, next minus previous, like that. Then all 3 are equal, then only write yes. If anywhere it is not equal, not equal, here not equal, here equal, here equal, here not equal, right? It is not any. This one question they will ask definitely 101%. Follow? Next, take screenshot of this. This is very important and the basic part of this chapter. You can write parallel with me, you can take a screenshot and then you can write. Very few students came yesterday. I have given time 10:45 to 11:45. Very few students came to check workbook, notebook. Date wise I will note down who have corrected, who have not corrected. Okay. Now T1 is a first term and A also it is a first term, that we have to keep in mind. T1 means A means T1, A means first term, T1 also it is a first term. So now very important formula, first formula of this chapter. So A is A is given 10, D is given 5, minus 3 0, 7.5, minus 1.25, 3, A is equal to 6 and minus 3, A is equal to minus 19. Now everywhere A and D are given, means first term and the common difference are given. So how to get the formula whose first term is given, common difference is given in each of the following? Write AP. So always we have to find out Tn. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1, nth term. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So all Tn, A first term, n minus 1, D is given 5. So it is 10 plus 5 n minus 5. This minus this means 5 plus 5 n. So your T1, 5 plus 5, 5 ones are 5, it is 10. T2, 5 twos are 10. T3, 5 threes are 15. So it is 10, 15, 20, 25, dash, 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 dash. So by formula it is this, and by series it is this. Again, A is what? Minus 1.25. plus n minus 1 not given, difference given 3, minus 1.25, 3 ones are 3n, minus 3, minus 1 minus 3 means minus 4.25 plus 3n, t1 4.25, t2 4.25, t3 minus 4.25 plus 1 time 3, 2 time 3, 3 time 3. So 4 minus 4.25 minus 3, it is minus 1.25. 6, so it is 1.75. 9, so it is 4.75. So minus 1.25, 1.75, 4.75. We want sequence. That sequence, previously sequence was given in A and D, we can find out, and from A and D we can find out the sequence. Again Tn, A minus 3 plus n minus 1 D, Tn is equal to minus 3 plus something into 0 is 0, Tn is equal to minus 3. So T1 is equal to minus 3, T2 also it is minus 3, T3 it is minus 3. When difference is 0, no difference, same. 3 minus 3 0, 4 minus 4 0, 5 minus 5 0. So all the terms are equal. When all the terms are equal, at that time, when all terms are same, at that time difference are 0. And when difference are 0, all the terms are same, vice versa. If the numbers are same, difference is 0. If the difference is 0, all the numbers are same. This type of the series, this type of the sequence, this type of the AP are known as constant. No change in any number. T1 same, T2 3, A1, A is equal to T1 is equal to T2, it is T3, it is T4. All terms are equal, so it is constant. Six plus n minus 1 minus 3. 6 minus n plus 3, 9 minus n. Now T1, T2, T3. 9, 9, 9, minus, minus, minus. T1 means 1, 2, 3, 8, 7. It is decreasing. That is, no. This is Tn. So, three ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So series is 6, 3, 0, minus 3, minus 6. Like that you can develop next steps. Now here Tn is equal to A is 7 plus n minus 1, this is 0.5, half it is given. Tn 7 plus 0.5 n minus 0.5 n, 0.5 nb. 7 minus half, it is 6.5 plus 0.5 n. T1, T2, T3. 6.5, 6.5, 6.5. 1 times 0.5, 2 times 0.5, 3 times 0.5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. Like that you can also write. 6 and half plus half, it is 7. 6 and half plus 1, it is 7 and half. 6, 7, 8. So the sequence is 7, 7.5, 8, Finally, you have to write the answer in sequence. Tn A minus 19 plus n minus 1 d means minus 4 minus 19 this into this minus 14 plus 4 minus 19 plus 4 it is minus 15 minus 4n t1 t2 t3 1 जा 2 जा 3 जा 4 जा 8 जा 12 जा see the difference 4 4 4 decreasing series. So today we learn two topics. Sequence is given and from that we can identify T1, T2, T3, T4, T5. Then we can identify D1, D2, D3. If all the three are equal, then it is AP. If it is not, then it is not an AP. Next time we learn that when A and D given, when A is equal to 0, the series will start from 0. Two observation. When D is equal to 0, means the difference is 0. When difference is 0, all the terms are equal. That is a constant series, constant AP, constant numbers. When D is equal to 0. And whatever the A, that will be the repeat. Whatever with the A, that is T1. Follow? So what we have learned today, if A1 is, D1 is not D2, it is not a series. D1 is equal to D2, is not equal to D3, not a series. D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3, it is AP. Not AP, not AP. When you will find D1, D2, D3, you will find three options. First one not equal, simply write not. First one equal, third one is not, simply write no. If all three are equal, that time only you have to write it is AP. That's it. That is a topic number 1. Topic number 2. T1 is equal to A always and difference is given something. So at that time Tn is equal to A plus Ritesh, everyday new A plus n minus 1d. Now substitute A, substitute D and find out in the form of n. See this in form of n, in form of n, in form of n. Then for n write 1 first term, n substitute 2 so second term, n 3 so third term. So from that you can write the sequence. Okay, take the screenshot. And this is the point number 3.1. One more part is remain. take screenshot or write it. For Saturday test series or for unit test in maths and science, you have any problem, you can send me your question, you can talk to me, okay? But don't sit silent, inactive, do lot of hard work, full 1 week, okay? And be prepared for the test, okay?